rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Superstar.
What's up, YouTube? Got another video for you guys. Today we have a cool G-Shock GA100LT-1A LT-1A with the 5081 module. That's GA100 series. Let's show you guys this beauty right here. Very nice design. I usually don't do GA100, especially standard editions, but this one caught my eye and it's such a nice colorway. I thought I'd show you guys and show you some of the details on this puppy. A little dirty right there. Okay, once again, this is the GA100LT-1A, part of the tri-color series. There's a GA100, DW6900, GA110, and then a couple other models in this colorway. Very nice colorway. Once again, black and blue, red, white, and blue colorway throughout the watch. It's got the black bands, matte color, matte finish right there. You got the red G-Shock on top, the blue protection on the bottom. Then you got this ghost mode adjust right there, reverse, forward. Very nice black finish, black buttons. Now you got this cool blue bezel around the inner glass. You can see that there. Let me try to zoom in a little bit better. A little bit hard to tell. There it is. You see it? Very cool blue. In the right lighting, it stands out. It pops. You also have the red, white, and blue hour and minute hands with the white tips. The red G-Shock logo on the bottom there. The red indicators around the hour markers with the glow. All right, once again, this is the GA100 model, which gives you a standard timer, world time, alarm, stopwatch function, stopwatch, timer, world time, and alarm function. Not a lot of functionality with this watch. No Bluetooth, no atomic, no solar, but it's such a nice colorway. And check out the under part of the bands there. It's got this nice blue, very nice bright blue under layers. Very cool. This is a tri-color series for the GA100. There's the back plate there, module 5081, GA100LT. I don't know, I really like this colorway. I mean, it screams America. It screams, you know, I'm old but still got swag. It screams, come get you some, sucker. So, very nice watch. Very cool, tough, like rest of G-Shocks, nice colorway, but one that you shouldn't miss out. Retail was $99 in the USA, released in April 2018, but it's fetching a nice penny these days. So get one before it becomes very difficult to find. I think they're going for about $125, $150 on third markets. Hard to find retail, but look for it. One you may or should consider getting. Great colorway, like I said, released in April 2018. Don't miss out. See you guys very soon. Once again, keep an eye out. I am almost at 5,000 subscribers. I am just a few away. Please subscribe if you haven't already. There will be a giveaway soon after I get to 5,000 subscribers. Like and comment. Let me know what you think about this beautiful tri-color watch. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. This is Chavo G-Shock Go. I'm out of here. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Superstar. I'm rocking my G.